Alright, we're going to do our phonics first lesson. We'll start up with a phonological awareness warm-up. Say the word robot without ick.
Robot.
Say the word bookcase. Replace case with mark.
Bookmark.
Hot box without box.
Hot.
Policeman without in. Replace and with in.
Policeman.
And apologize. Change eyes to e.
Apology.
Good job. Alright, now we're going to go over some sounds that we know.
Miss. Sub. O. J. St. Old. E. A. S. E.
Alright, now I'm going to put some up at the front and then we're going to sound each out and then we'll do it, alright? Ready?
Suggest.
Good job.
Running.
Good deal. Make sure you're pointing and blending as well.
Old Joe.
Good job. We'll do one more.
First.
Good job. Now some of those were nonsense words, but you did a good job blending them. Now, our new sound is
Ah.
ah. Now, if you look at this and you see that we've already went over this sound before and it was ah, right? So it can make a sound as baby, so ah, or it can be all like ball. Can you think of any words with the ah sound?
Ball.
Fall. Good job. We are going to get our standout. And as we go over these new words, you'll write them in the sand. So first we'll start with all. Write this sound 3 times. Fingers up. All.
A. All.
Right, so it's a, ah. Because we've learned 2 different short vowel sounds for a. Are you ready? Let's try it again. Fingers up.
A.
Ah.
Ah. A. Ah. A.
Good job. Fingers up. All. All.
A. Ah. A.
Good job. And one more time. Fingers up. Right.
Ah. A. Ah. A.
Good job. Now you will need to get out your pencil and paper so that we can dictate some of these words. Pencils up. Now remember when I say pencils up and then I tell you the word, I say ready, then you pound it out and then you write it. Alright, pencils up, call, ready, pound.
Call.
Good job. Pencils up, ready, wall, ready, pound.
Wall.
Pencils up, small, ready, pound.
Small.
Pencils up, salt, ready, pound.
Salt.
Now remember when you pound the word salt, it is salt. Alt. Alright. Pencils up. Squall. Ready? Pound.
Squall.
Alright, and let's try a tricky one. Pencils up. Walrus. Ready? Pound.
Walrus.
Alright, so when we pound that word, it's 2 syllables. So we go walrus, Right that. Alright, now we're going to read the words from a clean copy. And I have those right here.
Call, small, wall, stall, swall, malt, walrus.
Good job. Alright, now we are going to dictate our sentences. So I'm going to tell you the sentence 2 times, and then you will pound out each sound, and then you will say it, and then you will write it. Alright? Is all of the chalk in the hall? Is all of the chalk in the hall? Ready? Pound.
Is all of the chalk in the hall?
Alright. Good job. The next sentence is, we went to get a malt at the mall. We went to get a malt at the mall. Ready? Pound.
We went to get a malt at the mall.
Right. Now we'll read the one off the clean copy.
Is all of the chalk in the hall? We went to get a malt at the mall.
Good job. You have written them correctly. Good job. Alright, so next we're going to syllabicate. So for this one, I'm going to give you the word, and then you're going to syllabicate it, and then I'll show you the clean copy when we are done. Deduct. Remember, we'll do this one together. First, you find your vowels. Now we see that it is a vowel, consonant, vowel. Would we split that word before D or after D? Well, we will try before and we get deduct. Does that sound right, or should it be deduct?
Deduct.
Good job. So now you do the next one by yourself. Tripod. Find your vowels. Look at your consonant. Good job. Relic. Find your vowels. Look at your consonant. Alright, I'll show you the clean copy. And this way you can see. You got the first one and the second one right, but we'll go ahead and look at that next one. Relic only has one L. So we would locate our vowels, which are E and I, and we see that our consonant is an L. First, we would try to split it before the L, and we would get relic. Does that sound right? No. So then we try behind, and we get relic. Does that sound right? Right. Good job. Alright, now we're on to our red words. I will show you the red word. You will load it and then arm tap it.
About. A-B-O-U-T. About. Even. E-V-E-N. Even. Own. O-W-N. Own.
Good job. And our new word is watch. Watch. Please watch me as I give you an example. Get your red word, screen, and your red crayon out. On your red word screen, write the word watch. We'll just write it. Alright, now trace over it 2 more times. Good job. Now we will load and arm tap the word 3 times while looking at the word. Ready, load it.
Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch.
Now you will finger trace the bumpy red letters of the word 3 times.
Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch.
Alright, now fingers up, and we will skywrite the word 3 times. Go.
W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch.
Good job. Now you will write the word with a red crayon on lined paper. So you're going to write the word down here 3 times.
W